This presentation is brought to you by the Rutgers University Libraries. Now, introducing Yingting Zhang of the Robert Wood Johnson Library.
Hello. This tutorial will provide you with step-by-step instructions on how to download and install EndNoteX9 on your Windows PC computer. Before you download EndNote, please make sure that you uninstall any previous versions if you have any. To download EndNote, you need to go to the EndNote download page at libraries.rutgers.edu/EndNote. Then choose EndNoteX9 for Windows to download the program. After you click EndNoteX9 for Windows, you will be brought to the login page. Click on NetID and password to log in. The program will be downloaded to the Downloads folder. Go to the Downloads folder and click the zip file. Then unzip it. To unzip, right-click your mouse and choose Extract All. Place the extracted files in a separate folder, for example, Documents or Desktop. This is very important. If you don't follow this step, you will eventually be asked for a product key. If you come across this request, then you are not installing the program properly. Now go to the directory with the extracted files. You should see an EndNoteX9 folder. Open and click the installer to install the program. At the Open File Security warning pop-up, click Run to continue. Here, just follow the steps and continue the process. At the License Agreement screen, click I accept the license agreement and continue. Under the Next Setup screen, choose Typical, then click Next. Keep the default directory and click Next. When it says Ready to install the application, click Next to continue. If you have Microsoft programs open, you will see a warning message saying File in use. You must close all these programs to retry. Then EndNoteX9 should be successfully installed. You are now ready to use EndNoteX9. If you have an existing EndNote library, it will be automatically opened, or you can create a new library. If you have any questions, please contact your campus librarians or email to citationmgr@libraries.rutgers.edu for help. Thank you for watching.